What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So I'm on this 175,000 mile GMC Terrain 2.4 Ecotec. Let's take a look. Yeah, never been maintained. That obviously burning oil because they're spilling it all over the place. Valve cover gasket's bad. Here's cylinder 4. I would say that these are probably the original spark plugs, and they're contaminated and shot. You can see the crusties on the ground strap. Yeah, these are about 150,000 miles overdue. Soaked in oil from the valve cover. Ground strap's completely corroded. Yeah, spanked. And people wonder why they have cat efficiency codes, bad fuel economy, stuck rings, all kinds of issues. It all starts with simple maintenance. Simple maintenance. Spark plugs on a 4-cylinder today is really not that expensive. I just don't understand. It is what it is. Thanks for watching.